Hey everyone, welcome to Ignite Course Solutions. In this video, we're starting our JavaScript course. Today, we'll talk about what JavaScript is and why it's so important. So, what is JavaScript? JavaScript is a programming language that makes website fun and interactive. If you ever clicked a button and seen something pop up or used a website with cool effects, that's JavaScript in action. JavaScript works with HTML and CSS to build complete websites. HTML is like the bones, CSS is the style, and JavaScript makes everything move and react to users. JavaScript is used on almost every website today, and it's also great for making apps, games, and more. It's super popular and it's one of the best languages to learn first. In this course, we'll learn JavaScript step by step, starting from the very basic you don't need to know anything about. Programming to get started. We'll make it easy for you. By the end of this course, you'll understand how to write simple programs, make your own website interactive, and get started on your own JavaScript projects. Thank you for watching this introduction. If you're excited to start coding with us, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the rest of the course. In the next video, we'll talk about how to install a text editor and get set up for writing your first JavaScript code. We'll also cover variables and data types, so you'll be ready to start coding. And hey, if you want a free beginner's guide to JavaScript, check out the link in the description below. Let's build something awesome together at Ignite Core Solutions. See you in the next video.